Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate your account in the VisitACity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the deactivate account button. And then there will be a short notice that by deleting your account, you will not be able to get it back. And if you are sure to continue, just click on the OK button. And then your account will be deactivated. So after that there's a email that you receive, and you have to agree on that, and then your account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.